just now waking up. And I'm about to get in the shower and get dressed. And I'll see you. This is day 4. What's up, YouTube? Right now we're chilling by the beach. It is really hot. This is Christian. That's Kevin. That's Nick. And that's Bruce. He's gonna get in the pool because it's that hot out here. Snap YouTube.
See, I'm light skinned, so I can do this. He's black. Fuck you. He's brown. He's brown.
Thank you for calling me brown. Caramel, I guess. No, she's a dark brown.
But back to the light skin, you know.
Did you drop my phone in that pool?
They call me bad boy, and I sit on you. I'm a rapper. I ain't kidding you up. I rap out the dome. I always keep my chrome. Your girl won't leave me alone, so I let you. I'm Captain Save a Hoe.
Dave and Busters, everybody say hey. Sister's over there. We are currently at Dave and Busters, and I ordered me some wings and the little cheeseburger thingies. This is my first time actually being here. And don't panic, this is not a real earring. I'm not a ring ear, not me nose piercing. It's fake and I got from Players. They had a $5 sale. Yeah. All jewelry they had a $5 sale, so I got 2 for $10. And my mom was gonna kill me. Yeah. I sent her a text message. She thought I actually got one and she was gonna kill me. Shouldn't wanna be freaking no more. Shouldn't wanna be freaking no more. Don't wanna be freaking. Don't wanna be freaking. No. So right now we are. Well, everyone is getting ready. I'm not sure what we're doing today, but yesterday we went to Dave & Buster's and we went sightseeing and we had so much fun. I'll see in a little bit, YouTube. I'll be back with you. I'll get back with you in a little bit. So right now we at McDonald's. Say hey.
Hey, nobody watches. You got 2 subscribers and one of them you. They have a point, you know. Nobody listens to your makeup advice. Because you ain't taking it down.
There's some haters, y'all.
There ain't no haters, these real.
So we just on the thing, we just chilling at McDonald's. Squad. And we're on this pier and we are walking.
Yeah, nobody listens to you or watches your YouTube channel.
This is how it is.
They watch you because we fire you up in your video. Did you tell them your nose ring was fake? I make it feel right. This warm ass bull. Hey, her gap is not natural. Yeah? She bit into an apple.
Bitch, this is what we're walking on. That's Chrissy like a.
Hey, y'all want to take a picture?
Oh.